Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to week 4 in reading. In today's lesson, we are going to review plural nouns, we're going to review our sight words, and then we're going to go over this week's assignment. We know that a noun can be a person, place, thing, or animal. A singular noun names one person, one place, one thing, or one animal. So we know singular means only one. Then we move into plural nouns. Plural nouns name more than one person, more than one place, or more than one thing, or more than one animal. So in our poster, we have a pair of shoes, we have flowers, we have pencils, bees, and cows. We're going to watch a quick 2-minute video to go over plural and singular nouns. There's also a quiz, so make sure when the quiz is starting, you're listening and you're looking at the picture.
We already know that nouns are the names of people, places, things, and events. Now, let's learn how to identify singular and plural nouns. Singular nouns are nouns that are just one in quantity. One donut is singular. One dog is singular. One person is singular. One book, one bird, one pencil, one cookie. Anything that is just one in quantity is singular. But what if there are more than one? Nouns that are two or more are called plural nouns. 2 donuts are plural, also 3, 4, 5, and 6 donuts. 2 or more dogs are plural. 2 or more people are plural. 2 or more books, pencils, and cookies are all plural. Simple, yes? One is singular, more than one is plural. It's quiz time! Tell us if the picture is singular or plural. A glass of water. 2 cats. 5 fingers. 1 building. 3 pencils. 6 coconuts. 7 notebooks. 10 bottles. 1 teddy bear. 2 hamburgers. Here are the answers. Singular, plural, plural, singular, plural, 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 singular, plural. Like this video and click the subscribe and bell buttons below for more TPK learning videos.
Great job, friends. Now we're going to move on to our sight words. In kindergarten, we have 39 sight words, and we have to be able to read them and write them in 3 seconds or less. So Miss Gann's going to go ahead and I'm going to read our 39 sight words. We have a, and, are, at, can, do, for, go, has, have, he, here, I, in, is, it, like, little, look, me, my, of, play, said, see, she, the, they, this, to, once, was, we, what, where, will, with, you. So make sure you're practicing those sight words with your parents. If you already know all 39 sight words, wonderful. Make sure you're practicing writing them. Now we're going to solve a sight word puzzle. You can see we have 3 pictures, and we want to know what beginning sound they make so that we can build our sight word. The first one is a train, and the sound is t, t. Look at our letter blocks. What letter makes the t, t sound? T. Then we have a picture of a hen. Look at our letters. Which one makes the sound? Great. H. The last picture clue is an elephant. Eh, eh. What letter makes the eh sound? If you said E, you are correct. Now look at this word. What word did we just find? We found the word the. Now we're going to have to use that word in a sentence. So I'm going to click here first. I'm going to write my name. And then my date. Now my directions say to use the mystery word to make a sight word sentence. My mystery word right now is the. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to make a sentence with the word the. The dog is fast asleep. So let's look at my sentence. I started with a capital, I have finger spaces, and I also have a period, and all of my sight words are correct. Nice job. So now what we're going to do is we're going to read a sight word and then match our pictures. My dog is so bad. So let's look at our pictures. Do we see any pictures with a dog? We do, right here. I am so sad. Does anyone see a picture with a sad friend? Right here. I get a pad, and a pad is another word for notebook. Right here. And our last sentence, I play with my friend Sam. And then we can see two friends playing together in the playground. Nice job reading and writing our sight words. Our last page is going over our assignment. This week, our assignment is a Google slide, and students can type right into the document. So just like Miss Gann did a couple slides back, you're going to find the click here text box and write your name and date. So you're going to click here and it will light up and you can delete it and write your name and date. Our direction says choose any sight words to make at least 2 sentences. So you can see right here are half of our sight words and the other half. So you're going to choose any kind of sentence you want and you're going to make sure that you use as many sight words. And then you're going to click down here and you're going to label 1 and start typing your sentence. If you want to write 2 and 3, you can make plenty of sentences with your sight words. Parents, if you rather have your children write the sight word sentences, that's fine. You can do it on a blank sheet of paper. Okay, friends, we'll see you next week. Have a nice week.